camp was really enlightening. We learned a lot of new skills such as tie and dye and fabric painting. Also, we learned how to make pottery, puppetry, etc. It was all the sessions that conducted by the NSS was really helpful for us. We learned new perspective of an NSS volunteer. Also, I like to thank all the program officers, senior volunteers for conducting all this program for us. And I really loved NSS camp. Thank you.
I am Kritika from NSS Volunteer. So we had a 7 days camp in NSS. This 7 days camp gave us so much things, and the community service was so amazing. And we also had an opportunity to do clay modeling and tie and dye, and we also involved in Swachh Bharat campaigns. And this camp gave us enlightenment sections, which made us like feel so grateful to be a part of NSS.